Hello and welcome to Creative Nerds. In this Photoshop tutorial, we'll be sharing with you how you can use Photoshop to extend an image. So we want to start off by selecting the crop tool, and what we are aiming to do is turn this image which we have into more of a landscape shot rather than a squared image. We're just going to pull out the anchor points on the left and right hand side, and once we're happy with the extension, we're going to select Content Aware and then select Enter on the keyboard. Depending on the size of the image is dependent on how long it will take to process the effect, but it should take a few seconds regardless of the size. And there you go, our background image has now been extended to the left and the right, making it more of a landscape shot rather than a squared image. Thanks for watching and stay tuned to Creative Nerds for very quick tips on how to use Photoshop.